not many of us have the ability to go to a range that allows us to draw and fire to practice defensive pistol. So whether you want to develop that skill for your everyday carry, or you want to sharpen your skill for defensive competitions like IDPA, dry fire practice is one of the best options. Dry fire practice can be done inside, obviously, with no live ammo. You can use your own pistol, you can shoot at light switches, hang targets on the wall, lampshades, whatever. Or you can use a training pistol like this SIRT, which is a laser training pistol, and software like LASR, which is what I use for training and for my own practice. So to add some flexibility to your dry fire training, I'm going to show you how to make an indoor target stand that gives you the flexibility to move the targets around, to use one for cover, so you can shoot around cover and do different drills. So you're not limited to just hanging a target on the wall or shooting at a light switch. This target stand takes about 10 feet of half-inch PVC. I just went to the hardware store and bought two 5-foot sections for each target stand. The first 5-foot section you're going to cut in half and then join it again to make it 5 feet with a straight connector. You don't have to cut it in half, but it makes it, for me, it makes it easier to transport, take apart, and move around. So with the other 5-foot section, you're going to cut it into several sections. By the way, I just used a hacksaw and a bench vise. You can use PVC shears or whatever means you want. But the other section you're going to cut into 2 8-inch sections and 4 7-inch sections. That'll leave you about 16 inches left over. So you can experiment with different lengths of these. I found these work best for me. Besides that, you're going to need a few connectors. You have to have the straight connector, like I said, to join the two. These are all half-inch connectors. A T connector, 3 90-degree connectors, and 1 3-way 90-degree. So let me put this one together real quickly, and then we'll see how it comes together. The top part is going to be the 8-inch sections go into the T. That will be the crossbar at the top. The base is going to take the 4 7-inch sections. You're going to put 90 degrees on both ends of 2 of them, and then the other 2 will go into 2 of the 90 degrees with the top part open. The top part is where you'll begin to put the top of the target stand. To complete the base, you just join these together thusly. You don't use any glue, nothing, you just stick it together. It's very simple and economical. So that gives you a base of diamond shape. Then you'll put the 2.5 foot sections together, which will make the entire target stand once you add the T-bar at the top. Now you will want to add some weight to the base just to keep it from toppling. You can use a book, a boot. I have some sandbags that I made from my shooting bench. I just toss one of those on there and that will keep it together. As far as hanging the targets, you can use binder clips, masking tape. I put a little Velcro in the middle of that cross because I'm going to use just a cardboard backer. You never have to change out the backer because it's not going to get any holes in it. It's just going to be hit by laser beam. Piece of Velcro on the back and just hang that there. Then I can tape any kind of target I want to, or leave it blank if I'm going to use it for a barricade. And that's it. That's the target stand. The entire thing cost me about $6. I'm going to have 3 of them here. I'm going to go make this one, and then we'll come back. I'm going to set it up in this room, show you how to do some drills on the using dry fire with the SIRT pistol inside. All right, here we are back inside 3 target stands. One of them I'm using as a cover. I'll step behind it and shoot 2 rounds in each target. I've got the LASR software set up that will record the shots, red dots on the targets, using a webcam and my SIRT pistol. So just real quickly, here's kind of how this would work. So that's it. Inexpensive targets, about $6 each. You can move them around the room. You can set 3 or 4 of them up. You can practice to draw from a retention, any kind of scenario you want. Record it on your software, and you'll know if you're making improvement. Thanks for watching.